Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, at Greens Grove Community Incubator Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make spaghetti to use the next day. This is super, super, super easy, and it's a great restaurant trick, because if you didn't know how to make spaghetti ahead of time, you would never be ready for service. You can't boil spaghetti all the time. So, in this colander, I have spaghetti that I've already boiled, just like you would any other spaghetti. If anything, maybe undercook it for about 30 seconds. You don't want it too soft, but same as anything else. Now, in the colander, tongs in one hand, and I have a little bit of olive oil in this hand. You're not using a lot of olive oil, which is why I'm doing it in the colander. If I had it in a bowl, it would soak up all the olive oil. So just about, I would say 1 tablespoon of olive oil right on top of that spaghetti. And you just toss it around with your tongs. Makes it nice and slippery. And now all you do is grab a nice long Tupperware. You don't want a pint container or a quart container because the oil will all drip to the bottom. You want something nice and shallow. Take your colander, just pour your olive oil spaghetti in there. Perfect. You're gonna put your lid right on top. Stick it in the fridge, and when you take it out tomorrow or the next day, whenever you're going to use it, all you need to do to reheat it, get some boiling water on the stove, toss it in for maybe 10 seconds just to heat it through, take it out, strain it, and you have spaghetti. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at Greens Grove Incubator Kitchen, and I just showed you how to make spaghetti for the next day. Enjoy.